Midwest Precision was started by Bob Bubitz in 1993 in a little garage by one drilling machine. We have grown to be 30,000 square feet, multiple drilling machines. I've been in drilling since I was 18, so almost 35 years. Started as a machinist on the floor and worked myself up to being part owner of Midwest Precision. So we basically drill holes for everybody. You wouldn't believe the industries that we get involved with, mining to oil and gas, to medical, to paper mills. Everything that needs a hole, shaft work, anything like that. Yeah, we're in all industries.
The Sonnen machine from the get-go has been a solid machine. I really see the advantage for Midwest Precision from the technology standpoint. When there was a problem, Sonnen was able to remote in, fix or diagnose the problem fairly quickly, and we were back on track. But I really think from a technology standpoint, the Sonnen is light years ahead from drilling tolerances, just an overall better machine.
By adding this machine and be able to increase our speeds and feeds, we're able to keep our turnarounds down. That's what built Midwest Precision, was our turnaround times. The new Sonnen machine compared to our old Boehringer machines is incredible. We are able to push feed rates. It's a lot faster compared to our older machines. The accuracy of the Sonnen is unbelievable. We're pulling parts off the machine. We don't even know what the entrance and exit is because both of them are dead on.
The worst one I think we've had in drift-wise has been about 70,000. And there's a lot of good attributes to it as a form of programming-wise, of saving programs for guys that are new and green, that can just look up a part number or whatever it is, the customer, the hole size and material, and you can just push it in and it's going.
It was great working with Sonnen. You guys all came up as a group, as a team, walked through our shop. We showed you the plus and minuses of what we'd like to have on our deep hole drilling machine. You guys took that, incorporated it, and made the changes that we felt needed to be changes on a good running machine, and you guys have done that.